Hi, so in today's video you're going to learn about how you can actually install OpenVPN on Ubuntu 20, and you also learn how you can connect your devices to it. And the most important part is that there is no coding required, and I'm going to show you a way you can actually get $100 free credits to start with. So to get this $100 credits, you need to create an account using my referral link in the description, and you have to deposit like $25 and you will get free $100 credit to get started. Okay, so the first step of course is to create an account and do everything which is said here. After that, now you have to deploy a new instance, but the good part about Voucher is that there's a pre-installed OpenVPN software of which you have to choose a server. So I prefer choosing the high frequency server. From here you have to choose a location, the server location. So when it comes to choosing a server location, you have to choose where you would like to access your VPN from. So as for me, I prefer accessing from USA, so I'll choose I'll choose New York. Then now you have to choose a server type. So for this you have to click on marketplace apps. So on marketplace apps, now you have to search for OpenVPN, which is this one over here. So select it. Okay, then now I have to choose the server size. So with the OpenVPN free license, you only be able to connect to 2 devices. So I would encourage you to just use the smallest server, which is this one, which comes with a 32 GB NVMe with 1 CPU with 1024 MB and 1 TB bandwidth. So once you're done with this, but if you've got a license, you can choose as high anything you'd like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to name it as OpenVP. Okay, since I already have another one running already. So once you're done with this, simply click on deploy, and we are done with the first step. Okay, so the installation is now done. So once you install this VPN, you're going to have a dashboard like this one, and you'll be given the instructions to complete the installation. So now all you have to do now is complete your VPN installation by visiting this URL. So I'm going to open it in a new tab, and I'm going to copy these login details. Okay, so when you receive something like this, simply click on advanced, then click on proceed. Okay, so now here you have to paste in the username, then also the password which you are given here. Then sign in. So currently right now I'm using a Windows laptop, so I'll be required to install the Windows client, but you can connect as many devices like Apple, Android, iOS, Linux and so on. So for now we're going to start with the Windows. Simply click on the Windows icon and the download will start. So as for me, I already installed OpenVPN Windows app, so I will discard it. I won't install it again. After this, now all you have to do is click on profile management. So just leave everything the way it is and come back and simply click on go to admin panel. Okay, so you'll be required to log in again, so simply copy the details again. Okay, so once you log in again, you'll be presented with a display like this, of which you have to agree to these terms and conditions. So read them at your own time. When you're done, click on agree. Okay, so as you can see, it's saying only 2 VPN connections are allowed. So now let's get our file. So simply click on user management and click on user profiles. All you have to do is click on new profile. So when you click on new profile, give this profile a name. So I'm going to give it as PC. Okay, and you can enable this if you want. If you don't want, don't enable it. Then I'll click on create profile. Okay, so once you create a new profile, the configuration file will be downloaded for OpenVPN. So go to files, go to downloads, and simply double click on the file just downloaded. So I'm going to double click it. So for this to work, you need to have OpenVPN installed. Okay, then you'll be asked, do you want to import the OpenVPN profile from? Then simply click on OK. So all you have to do is copy the password which we are given, which is this one over here, and come back to it and paste it. Then simply click on connect. Okay, so as you can see, it's now connected. So now let us check if our VPN is working correctly. Okay, so the easy way of knowing if your VPN is working, just go into Google and type what is my IP location and press enter, and Google is going to show you that my IP address is this one, and this is the same IP address of this server over here. Okay, so you can click on the first link to know more, like your location and so on. So as you can see, it's saying country United States when you are not even from there. So this is it about today's video. Today's video is about how to install OpenVPN on Ubuntu. So now, how do you install or connect your Android device or your iPhone devices? So it's the same procedure. Simply create another profile and download the profile, then just send it to your phone and double click on it and to configure and copy the password. So it's the same process, just download the file, open it and enter the password, and that's it, you're connected. So it's actually easier. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe.